In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the adjustable standing desk, seated desk, when it won't rise up. So basically what's happened here is I've moved this to a different room, I've unplugged it, I also didn't reset or move the table down to the bottom. So the first thing is, if you're watching this video you've probably already had a problem, but if you're watching it just randomly and you're going to move your adjustable desk, the first thing to do is to make sure that you put the desk back down to the lowest position before you turn it off and move it. However, if you have done that, if you haven't done that and it hasn't worked, and you've got a situation where the desk is only rising to a certain height, and you press this, what you need to do is you need to reset the desk. And the way to do this is very simple. You can hold this down until it hits the bottom, and then you're going to continue to hold it down, and you'll hear a double click. Once it's done that, then the desk is reset and it will rise to the full extent and height that it can do. So now it's extended to the full height. So you're holding down the down button until it hits the bottom. It will then potentially move back up again. Hold it down again for another 10, sometimes 15 seconds, and you'll hear a double click, but the desk won't move. This is then reset the motors, reset the control unit, and you're good to go.